Hello everyone, welcome to I Teach English Vlogs. Today I will show you my village. He is still coming towards me. He is coming towards me. So they are having rest on a fallen tree trunk. This is a tree trunk that has fallen from a tree. Okay, so this is a fallen tree trunk. On this channel, you will learn English naturally through real life experiences. I speak slow and clear so that beginners can understand easily. By watching these videos, you can improve your listening skills, learn new vocabularies, and become more confident in English. So let's start our village tour. So today we have Ryan. Hello, Ryan. So he is my nephew, and with my nephew we will explore the village. Okay. And by the way, the name of my village is Bulbulpur. So let's start. So right now we are walking on a road, and as you can see, here is a goat. So this is a goat. Okay, what is this, Ryan?
Goat.
Okay, this is a goat. Okay, so as you can see right now, I am on a road, and beside the road there is a puddle. So this is called a puddle. Okay, so this is a roadside puddle. Puddle is something where water collects after rain. Okay, so this is a muddy puddle. Okay, so as we are moving ahead, as you can see, this is a electricity pole. Okay, and those are the trees. Okay, those are the trees. So as you can see, there are many tall, okay, so tall trees alongside the road. So this is wooded area. Okay, so this is wooded area. Also you can see today the weather is cloudy. Okay, so these are clouds, and behind this there is a sky. Okay, that blue part is sky, and these are the clouds, and these are the wires passing through the electricity poles, and that is a bike going on the road. So generally what happens that the people of this village come here and have some rest. So these are some peoples of my village. He is Hassan, and I had told you that he is my nephew Rayan, and here is Danish. So they are having rest on a fallen tree trunk. This is a tree trunk that has fallen from a tree. Okay, so this is a fallen tree trunk, so they are having rest on this. So as you can see, this is a narrow footpath. It is generally made by the people by walking repeatedly on this, because this is a narrow footpath and around the grasses. Okay, these are the grasses, and I am walking in a garden. You can call it a garden. So I had told you these are long trees, and this is a mango tree. Okay, so this is a mango tree, and inside there are roots of the mango tree. Okay, and this is a leaf. Okay, so when it is single we call it leaf, and when it is more than one we call it leaves. As you can see, this is a tree stump. There used to be a long tree, but after cutting the tree, the remaining part is called tree stump. So people generally sit on this and have some rest. So Ryan, would you please sit on this tree stump? Yeah, so right now Ryan is sitting on a tree stump. So Ryan, what do you do in this garden sometimes? Do you play cricket here?
Yes.
Okay, so he with some more his friends, like they play cricket in this garden. So this is the area where they play cricket, and as I had told you, this is a puddle. Okay, so after a rainfall, the there are lots of puddle in the garden and also beside the roads. Right now let me show you the bull of this particular area, and that is a very aggressive bull. Okay, so as I'm going close to the bull, he might chase me. I'm a bit afraid of that bull. And as you can see, both of them has already ran away from this place because they are afraid, because he might chase us. Uh, I don't know if what's going to happen next. I am stepping back right now. He is very aggressive, okay, so he attacks people or animals. He is still coming towards me. He is coming towards me. Okay, so I think he is going away. He is not in a mood to attack right now, but generally he is very aggressive. Okay, so when an animal attacks or has a tendency of attacking people, we call the animal as aggressive. Okay, it could be aggressive goat, aggressive bull. So as you can see, this man right here is waiting because the bull is walking on the road, so he just don't want to cross the bull. So Ryan has left us and he is going now in a car. And this is a flour mill and it has been closed for a long time and people are not using it anymore. And let me tell you, this is a manure is a waste of animals. Okay, so this is a waste of animals, so this is called manure. Okay, I can say this is the most beautiful place of my village. Here is a bit field and we also sit here, okay, under this tree, okay. And this is Idgah is a place where people or Muslims pray namaz on Eid and Bakra Eid. So twice in a year they pray namaz in Idgah. Generally they pray namaz 5 times in a week in a mosque, but in Idgah they pray namaz twice in a year, once in Eid and second time in Bakra Eid. So this is Idgah. This is a hand pump and villagers uses it to get clean groundwater. So I am right now holding the handle of this pump and now I am pumping this hand pump. Okay, so now this is clean groundwater coming out of the spout. So this particular area is called spout. Okay, from where the water comes from the ground. And as you can see, that is a flock of geese. Okay, so those are geese. This is a beautiful pond of my village. As you can see, there is a reflection of this house in the pond and those are the water hyacinth. Okay, they are floating on the surface of the water, so those are water hyacinth. And as you can see, this is a small grocery shop of our village and people come here to buy daily essentials. Okay, for example, like this is a chips. And let me introduce the owner of this grocery shop. He is Umar. Okay, Umar, how are you? How are you? Speak something. Okay, I think he's not able to speak in English. So कैसे हैं आप उमर? Okay, so this is a small grocery shop. So people come here to buy the daily essential. Behind this wall there is a graveyard, and graveyard is a place where people are buried when they are die. So when they die, they are buried in a graveyard. So there is a graveyard behind this wall, and that is entrance of the graveyard. Entrance where people enters. Entrance. So right now I am walking along the canal. So this is a canal that provides water to the surrounding fields. So right now it is dry because it means there is no water in it. And like there are two words that people are confused about. canal and river. Let me tell you, river is natural and canal is man-made. So this is canal because it is man-made. So right now I'm enjoying the peaceful and like fresh air around this area. So as you can see, this is so beautiful. So all these are trees, this is road, and uh, like this is canal surrounded by tall grass. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and learned something new in English, new words, new expressions. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel.